Pooja and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about two Gucci items. One is my Gucci Bloom wallet on chain and another is Gucci GG canvas pump. And I posted a video on my YouTube channel that I was unboxing my Gucci Bloom wallet on chain bag, and that video was taken over a year ago. So I can update you on wear and tear on my bag too. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. To be very honest with you, I saw Shea Whitney's unboxing video and I fell in love with this bag, and I felt that I want this bag anyway. So I searched for this bag and the bag was sold out by the time in USA. So I searched and I found this bag in Harrods. So I bought this bag from Harrods and I had very good shopping experience with Harrods, so I recommend them. This is the box looks like. I like to keep my bags in the dust bag. I always keep chain separate from my bag because chain can ruin the shape of the bag and we don't want that. So here's the beauty with silver hardware. I bought this bag without trying this on and without seeing this in person. Two reasons. One, I love this bag because it's so beautiful, and two, I trust Shea Whitney. I liked her unboxing video and I bought this bag without any hesitation. The Gucci wallet on chain came in market in 2015, but this particular design came in market in 2017. This was $1,450. They also come in different colors. You can find the other colors in market, but not this one anymore because they sold out. For your information, the plain GG canvas wallet on chain is still in market and they retail for $1,300. And I believe that this bag is flashier than the plain GG wallet on chain. I bought this one because this is so flashy. I'm kidding. I bought this bag because I always wanted a bag in floral pattern, and this bag is so perfect. And as soon as I saw this bag, I fell in love with this bag. I love this bag. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that I love this bag. I fell in love with this bag. I love the quality of the leather because that is so durable, and this has coating on it so I don't have to worry about scratching and scuffing. And this has brushed metal with a little bit sheen, that's why it looks shiny. This is like a structured mini bag, so you don't have to worry about losing its shape. This also had snap closure with dual tiger head, and that represents Dionysus. This bag is named after Greek god Dionysus, and he was often portrayed with bull, snake, tiger, cats, big cats, leopards, and this bag is named after him. That's why they have this tiger heads. I love the shape of this wallet on chain. This is 8" in width, 5" in height, and 2.3" in depth. And this chain is about 23.5" long, which is really long, and I love bags with big chain because that makes the bag very versatile. These wallet on chains, they never go on sale. They hold their price, so if you buy this, that would be an investment. You can think that $1,450 or $1,300, that's a lot for a wallet on chain, but this is more than a wallet on chain. This freaking gorgeous bag goes with any color. I can dress it up, I can dress it down, and this is perfect for any occasion. This is perfect when you are running errands, when you are going for a dinner, clubbing, or to the bar. This is so perfect. This is a perfect bag throughout the day. So let's open the bag. This wallet on chain has 16 card slots, 8 in here and 8 in here. And this has 2 bill folds here and here, and 3 separate compartments, and 1 zip coin closure. I use this zip closure for keeping my tissue papers. And when I open the bag opens like this. So I don't need to struggle to pull things or to dig in to search for items. Now I'll show you what I carry in my bag and what fits in it. Since this bag has 16 card slots, so I don't need to carry separate card case for that. I keep my card key, my house key, a little perfume, mouth freshener, a little hand sanitizer, one mini lotion, which is important. You don't want to feel dry. My lipstick, and last but not the least, my cell phone. I don't stuff too much items. If you look at the side view, that it's not stretched too much, so that's what I want. I carry mini items. If you're a person who likes to carry so many items in bag, then this is not for you, because this bag is not meant to carry a bunch of items. This bag came with this little care book, so I always recommend you to go over with your care book whatever item you purchase, because that gives you the proper guide to take care of the item. If you spill anything on the bag like water, oil or any other thing, then wipe it off right away. If you don't do that, then that's going to be a permanent stain on the bag, and which is not nice. They also recommend to protect the bag from direct sunlight and heat, and to keep the bag in this bag. For wear and tear update, I'd have to say that I have a couple of scratches here. That's it. Otherwise, this is in pristine condition. I wish they made this bag in one compartment instead of 3 compartments. Maybe that could make the bag more roomy. I always love a bag with big chain, because this big chain makes the bag really versatile. This bag I wear crossbody if I go for shopping or if I go to the bar. If I want to be hands-free, then I wear crossbody. Or you can make the chain crisscross like this, shorten the length and wear this as a long strap bag, or you can wrap the chain around the bag like this and wear this as short strap bag. And the chain is removable, so you can remove the chain completely and wear this as a clutch. See how versatile this is? You can dress it up, you can dress it down, and you're gonna be so happy with this bag. And I like to pair my bag with my GG canvas shoes. This is so beautiful. And the leather quality of my bag and these shoes are absolutely same, so I don't worry about scratching or scuffing. This heel is about 4 inches long. Look how matchy they are. Best friends. I love them. I'm super happy with these 2 Gucci items. They're so beautiful, so gorgeous, so Gucci, and I feel so Gucci. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.